There are moments when a thought appears and disappears just as fast. An idea, a direction, a solution, clear for a second, gone the next. This is where Flashback captures what matters. Typing and capturing. You start simple. You type, just like you always have. A title, a thought, a structured note. You can write freely or copy and paste anything. From research, from conversations, from AI. Because today, information moves fast, and Flashback gives you a place to hold it. Not scattered, not lost. Stored, organized, accessible, memory bank integration. And instantly, your note becomes part of your system, visible in your memory bank. In all, or filtered, only notes, stacked as cards, ready to be moved, reorganized. You can zoom in, zoom out, shape your workspace the way you think. But sometimes, typing is too slow. You click the microphone, you allow access, and now you simply speak. No friction, no interruption, just thought, becoming text. Multilingual plus control. You choose your language: English, Francais, Deutsch, Español, Italiano, Ruski, Ukrainska, Al-Arabia, Jengvin, Portuguese. And Flashback listens, not to interpret, not to rewrite, but to capture exactly what you say. Use case, AI/workflows. In a world of AI, where outputs are constant, this becomes essential. You store prompts, results, insights. You build your own reference system. No switching tools, no losing context. Everything stays in one place. This is more than note-taking. It's thought capture without friction, structure without effort. This is Flashback, your second brain. Wir freuen uns zu sehen, was Sie daraus machen.